Hello, all my nieces and nephews. It is Uncle Chris, and guess what? It was double food pantry day. So we're going to start from left to right. All right, you would not believe the bounty of blessings we have today. We have not just one, but 2 packs of chicken legs, 2 packs of split chicken breasts. You know I'm going to be doing some lazy cooking in the crock pot with this, okay? Okay. We have 2 things of ground beef, which is really nice. I can do burgers and casseroles and stuff with that. Ooh, spaghetti, baked spaghetti, yeah. Now look at this, 2 packs of that white meat chicken. You know what this is good for? This makes excellent casseroles. It really does. Love that. Got some peanut butter. Got 2 cans of sweet peas. Look at that. Low sodium. I've got also 2 cans of pears. Excellent. Some diced tomatoes and some spaghetti sauce. Some more peanut butter. Pink salmon in the can. My seafood cakes will be making a reemergence. Some vegetarian beans. And look at this. Beans in the package. Now you know I'm going to make some of my famous soup. I got 2 of these. I got 2 packs of rice. I think I'm going to show you guys how to make my flavored rices. Give me a chance, guys, because I got to catch up. I got 2 packs of elbow macaroni. So I'm going to be making some macaroni and cheese, and I'm going to be making some casseroles with this. Of course, with the spaghetti noodles, 2 packs, I'm going to make a big thing of spaghetti for the family. Now over here, we've got 2 packs of buttermilk pancake mix. Can you see that? You can use this for not only buttermilk pancakes, but you can make delicious blueberry muffins out of this stuff. Yes. And of course, non-fat dried milk. I've shown you my milk recipe. Now I'm going to show you my strawberry milk recipe and my horchata recipe. Oh my God. This makes the best strawberry milk, and horchata, it tastes just like it. You would swear it was the real thing. 2 boxes of, what does it say? Crisp rice? I suppose that's the knockoff of the other brand, you know. Now, this is the exciting part for me. We have a bounty, and I mean a bounty, of wonderful potatoes. And can you guess what these are, nieces and nephews? These are nectarines. I love me some nectarines. Hope you can hear me over the fan. It's a hot day here in Chicago. Look at this. We got some celery. Love that. Oh, zucchini. Look, this is an underrated vegetable. You can use this to make ratatouille. I slice it up, grill it, or saute it in a pan with some butter and garlic. It is delicious. You can even fry this. Fried zucchini is delicious. I've got some onions, and I've got 2 fresh loaves of bread. We got 2 bottles of ketchup. Now, you know I'm going to use these bottles of ketchup to make my barbecue sauce. You've seen me make it. It's really tasty. I hope you make it. Let's get a good pan of everything we got right here so far. Now, comment down below. Let me know what you want me to cook. It is getting crock pot and soup season, okay? And Halloween, of course, is just around the corner. So, cozy up to that computer, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you'd like me to show you how to cook. Or, give me some of your recipes, okay? All right. Big love from Uncle Chris.